Welcome to this tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to install FFmpeg on Windows step by step. FFmpeg is a powerful tool for handling multimedia files. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to FFmpeg.org. Go to Download, Windows, then choose Windows Builds by BTBN. It's bring you to GitHub website. Make sure you are on the latest update page. Click on Show All. Select the version matching with your OS system type. For my Windows is 64 bits. So I download FFmpeg, Master, Latest, Win64, GPL.zip. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder. Right-click the zip file and select Extract here, and copy the folder to C drive for easy access. Inside the extracted folder, you'll see bin. The important one is bin because it contains the FFmpeg.exe file. Now, let's add FFmpeg to the system path so we can use it from any command prompt. Open System Properties, click on Advanced System Settings, and then Environment Variables. Under System Variables, find Path and click Edit. Then, click New and type the location of your FFmpeg bin folder, which is C:\master-latest-win64-GPL/bin. Click OK to save. Now, let's verify if FFmpeg is installed correctly. Open Command Prompt and type FFmpeg version, then hit Enter. If you see version details, it means FFmpeg is successfully installed. And that's it. You've successfully installed FFmpeg on Windows. Now you can convert, edit, and process multimedia files with ease. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.